Okay, what's up guys? It's me Arjun again, and I just wanted to show you a short clip that I got. I think it was yesterday, and yeah, let's see it. So we're playing on Cash. I'm just playing with my friend Rocka. He's a Smurf, yeah. And yeah, we are playing against just a full pre-made team. But we are winning, like, really much. I mean, 12-3. That's pretty good, if you ask me. And this clip is actually just my first pistol ace ever with Glock. So I got 2 headshots there. And I don't know how, but they just couldn't see me from A. But they're full premium, so like I don't understand like why they didn't like tell each other like he's coming from A, watch out. But I don't know. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.